Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in again. My name is Kobe, and this is Kitech Digital. Now, in today's video, we are going to create and we are going to learn how to create your own customized professional email address. So, if that is why you are here, then I guess you are in the right place. So, please don't go anywhere. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel for me, and so that we grow together. Okay, so please press the subscription button and let's go. Now, do also like this video if it helped you a lot. Okay, so let's jump straight away to the video. Alright, guys, so to start with, I just want you guys to understand that this video is purposely for those who have domain name and then hosting. Okay, so if you have your domain name and your hosting, then you can continue with the video, because if you don't have a domain name and a hosting, then I suggest that there is a link down below. You get a domain name and a hosting, and then you can you can also join the video. Okay, so to move on, you need your domain name, and then you need access to your cPanel. Okay, you need access to your cPanel. So we are going to log on to our cPanel, and then we continue the video from there. Alright, guys, so this is our cPanel, and this is how the cPanel looks like. Okay, so for those of you who have access to your cPanel, you can see how the cPanel looks like, and you know it. Now we scroll down to the email section over here. Okay, so we look for the email section, or you can just type in email over here. Okay, and then you see the email. Now you click on email account. Okay, because you are going to create email, so we click on email account. So this is our email account, and this is all the accounts that I have on this email or this hosting. Now what I have to do is, if I need to create a new email account, now I just click on create over here, and then I search for the domain that I want to create the email for. So I want to create the email for Kitech Digital. Okay, so I type in the username. Okay, the username, what I want. So the username is sales. So sales at kitechdigital.com, and then I set the password for it, or I can decide to send login link to the alternate email address. Okay, but then this one I want to set a password for it. So what I need to do is I can decide to set my own password, or I will generate a password. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a password. So this is the password. I can decide to generate the one that, so yeah, I like this one. Then I copy it and save it somewhere, or you can set your own password. Okay, you can set your own, but make sure that the password is strong. Then I copy it, and then over here we have optional settings over here. Okay, the optional settings, by default, if you want to create it, it gives you 250 megabyte, but if you want to add more storage for the person that you are creating for, okay, what you need to do is to click on the additional optional settings over here. You edit it, and then you change the space storage. Okay, so I want to change it to 5 megabytes, so I just click on 5 gigabytes, sorry. So I use 5 gigabyte. I change it over here, so you can use megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and so on. Okay, and then for this one, I will suggest you leave it the same, because it will automatically create your email folders for you. Okay, and then all what I need to do is I click on what create. If I'm creating more, I will take this one to stay on the page, so that it will allow me to create more and more and more. But if I'm just creating this one, what I need to do is just untick this one and then click on create email or create. So automatically, guys, as you can see, the email is created. Okay, sales at Kitech Digital is created for us. And then if I want to check the email, when I scroll down, I'll see it over here, this one, sales at Kitech Digital over here. and you see, as you can see, it have what, 5 GB of storage. So I can click on check email to check it. It's taking me to the email account. Yeah, so that is it. So as you can see, now if sometimes if you are creating it new, what it does, it brings you over here to the home page of the webmail, just like this one. Okay, and then this one will be unticked. Okay, so what you need to do is to tick on this one, and then you can decide to choose either this one or this one. Okay, but I like this interface, so I tick, so that anytime it opens, the email opens, it will open straight away into the email box, not to the home page over here. So that is this one. That is the email that we've created. Now after creating the email, you have seen it, you have a way of logging in. But what about your client that you are creating for? Maybe you're not even your client, maybe your team member, or maybe anybody that you are creating it for. So for the client and then maybe your team member to be able to log in, they don't have to pass through the cPanel to be able to log in. All what they need to do is you need to give them this web address. So the domain name that you use in creating, that is, for me, I use Kitech Digital. So Kitech Digital.com/ then I will add webmail to it. Okay, and then I'll click on enter. So I'm going to close this one and then open this one. So what it's going to do is it's going to give me an interface whereby it will tell me to log in. So as you can see, it has given me the webmail interface for me to be able to log in. Okay, so I will type in my email address, which is the sales at Kitech Digital, and then I'll input my password that I copied. Okay, and then I'll click on login, and then it will bring me to the same place as we did. So this is how you can be able to create a personalized email account for your client, or for anybody who needs an email for their business. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.